This statue is made out of 100% chocolate by the head pastry chef Stephan Shubert at the Seminole Hard Rock Casino to commemorate the Bucs going to the Super Bowl. Is this not one of the coolest things you've ever seen? Brought to you by Keto Crush, your channel for eating healthy, feeling great, and looking hot.